the Black Kids videos. Now I'm gonna open this. So push that. Or I think you should push like on the side. Well, do you need help?
Is that only 2 or 3 bags?
What?
Hey, it comes with Mrs. Teapot. Just with not her face.
Here's a little horse.
That's cool how they made a Lego fan. Lego Chinese fan. No. I don't know if boys do that or not. Oops.
She just broke the top.
Master Wu's wet hat from Ninjago.
It's
Yeah.
okay. Now we're done with that. With the page. You can't put
It's
those
in this
on
one.
yet. Hey, you're just done.
I could see you.
Next, you need that head. Now, put the stick in this one. She
It's
just
not
broke his
broke off.
arm. I don't know what I'm doing. She only broke his head. Okay. Bum, 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 bum. Look at him.
His stick is down like, I'm gonna beat everyone.
You need help now. That made me blunt. Wait, can do it.
Big's Bubby's help.
You're supposed to put it like that.
Are you singing a Bubby song?
Yeah.
Darcy,
Okay,
do
now
you
the
want
other
to put this right over here?
Yeah.
Okay. We don't want it in the way.
Look at this. This looks so awesome. Now put by the pumpkin. Now we're making a tree bee. Look at this hay. We're gonna put it on.
There we go.
Now I'm gonna put this tree on. Also, now I'm gonna put the tree on. She just broke the tree. Now we're done putting that on. And now we need to put these on. Now look at this tree. Now we're going to put the beautiful flowers on. Okay. Now you need this diamond underneath the front tree. Okay. Can't believe it. I'm making my first video. Now, it looks like eyeballs on here. Look at this tree. It has flowers on it and a gem and some hay and this and this. Now let's put it here. Okay, now you need to put this one in the middle. The big, no. Not right there. Right here. Now, Darcy. Is it? Look. Now, I don't know what this is, but look at this stuff on it. There's like flowers and some these and some of these. You need this green piece and put these two yellow stuff on the edges. See? Okay. Okay. Now I think.
I'm dead.
Oh yeah. Now we need to put that on. Okay. Now we need the tea in the cup.
Okay. Cup and tea. There you go.
Take this right here. Hands in the air. Okay. Now we need this piece to go on top. Now get this. Ding ding.
Now what pieces do you need?
I'm too scared. I'm gonna put it all down. Okay.
Ooh, it is wobbly.
Yeah, probably wobbly, cobbly, sobbly. You need 2 white pieces.
Oh, there you go. I got it.
Pew, 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 pew. Ah. Now got this. Bum, 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 bum. Now we need like this pink square.
There you
Okay,
go.
Darcy, you need to put that right here. Now you need to put that right there.
The dragon.
Please
Put the dragon. Look at that.
Oh, now the girl has to stand right here, but she has to be holding the fan.
Here's the fan. I've been holding it.
Long time.
There you go. The fan flew off.
It's like blew it. Yeah, it's like, okay.
That's the bad thing about fans. They might blow away.
Blow away. Holiday, holiday. Okay.
Are we all done now?
Yep, we're all done. We are finally done, and we got the gale and the fan on this boat. Why do this keep falling off? Now it's done. Now there is this all over, and this can move, and these 2 lights, and this, and more, and the little fan and the flower, and now beautiful hair, and she don't have any hair. No, she actually doesn't. I forgot.
Bald.
And her dragon friend, and this guy. Now we are human, but this fighting thing, I feel like I'm a ninja, but this flying, that, and a monster, and a tree, and a horsey. 3 horsey, bum, 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 and a horsey. And that's it. Oh, forgot. Now there's a sword. The sword here. I just got the sword and these top 2, the teapot and the cup. Teapot and the cup. Beauty and the Beast.
All finished.
Oh. That's easy. If you like this video, put the thumbs up.
If you like this video and you want to see more, please hit the subscribe button down below.
Goodbye.
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 Bye, kids out.